Hello everybody, today in this video I'll show you how to easily resize your videos for TikTok, so let's jump right into it. First go ahead and open the browser and then go to this website named vid.io, just like it is written in the screen right here. Once you're in the website, tap on Start for Free and then tap on the plus right here. Tap on Create Project. From here, tap on Media in the bottom and then tap on your files and choose the video you want to resize. Once the video is added to the project, tap on Settings and then tap right here under Size. A list of options will pop up. Tap on TikTok. After that, go back. You'll find that your video is resized. Just tap on Done in the top right corner to save it. From here, scroll down and tap on Download in the bottom right here. Tap on MP4 and the video will be saved to your device and you can post it to TikTok. And that's how we do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.